Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. These are my beautiful plants. My Queen Elizabeth philodendron. My pink suksum. And also my red suksum. Daga na siyang saha guys. Kung i-transfer maybe mga 2 months from now. And also my philodendron red Congo. Daga na po siyang saha. Kani local black cardinal.